it's so much easier. And there you go, there's all the cables. I could have mounted it on the top here, made it look all symmetrical. I think having it here is the closest and neatest setup. There it is, into the back of the unit like so, connected. Okay, so that's me just about now at 70 miles an hour, and this is the new ATOTO dedicated microphone, as opposed to the one that was actually on the front of the radio. How do I sound? Do I sound okay? So, just the other week, I installed a reversing camera in my lovely little Honda Civic. Fed it all the way through under the pillars, and I mounted it just where the handle is underneath the back there, and it works beautifully. The image, the high def image that you get is absolutely spot on, and it's perfect for parking as well as recording as a dash cam. I've also got the ATOTO front forward facing camera. I can do a split screen, and I got another little Brucey bonus for you. Today I'm going to install this dedicated microphone. Now this is for the ATOTO X10 stereo bi-setup microphone. I've been looking at where I'm going to mount it. Originally on the Honda Civic, they actually had them up here, to be fair, but I don't think I really need to sort of bother with running the cable all the way around just to have it here. I could have mounted it on the top here, made it look all symmetrical, but the microphone wouldn't be any sort of nearer compared to the existing stock one that's on the front of the unit. And I think having it here is the closest and neatest setup, and you would never know. So nice and easy, run it down through the A-frame and into the back of the stereo. And because this is an aftermarket setup now, we haven't got to worry about the stupid bolts that are on the standard stock stereo that you get on your Honda. There's literally 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. We can have that out in 5 minutes. Watch this. So on the top here, just remove this cover. I usually start by getting into the corner there, getting one thumb underneath like this, and then you can work your way along. And then at the back here, you're trying to now lift it so it goes straight the way up. Otherwise, if you twist it, you'll end up snapping the clips at the back like this. There, and that's that cover removed. And now these 1, 2, 3 screws, just remove these little Phillips. We can simply now pull the new ATOTO radio out. Oh, it's so much easier than the original stock radio. It's a right pig, the stock one. You have to take the whole of the center console out and work underneath here as well to get the side panels out. So at the back here, there's a dedicated connection for the microphone. You just need to find it. Oh, there it is there. So, plug in the new mic. Let's have a little test to make sure. Perfect. And that is it. I now have a hands-free microphone. Obviously, I'm now going to run it down into the back there, but I just wanted to make sure that it all fits and we're all good. Right, so let's run it this way first. Okay, nice and straightforward here. I can just take this little trim down and feed the cable through. Get the cable right to the top so you don't see it, nice and neat. Beautiful. It's got little sticky pads, and where I'll be sitting, I'm going to have it just here. I think that's perfect. So I'll leave that at the moment and then run the cables down. Okay, that's the trim back on again. Get my handy little gripper tool. There it is, perfect length. And I can get that now into the back of the unit like so, connected. Let's keep those wires nice and neat together. All right, let's get it back on. Get these 3 screws back on the top there. Well, that was certainly a lot quicker than installing the rear camera. All right. Oh, we got a prompt there, external microphone inserted. Now, I've already recorded how this sounds at the worst case scenario at 70 mile an hour, and it's got the existing microphone, which is just here. And I'm going to compare that against my new dedicated ATOTO X10 microphone, which is now nicely installed up here on the A-pillar. So you can see that's probably the closest that it's going to be to where I'm speaking, and it's nice and neat out the way. I've just stuck it on there with the self-adhesive pad that came with it. Right, let's go for a drive and let's see how now this sounds at 70 mile an hour, and I'll compare the 2 audio files and you tell me what you think. Okay, so that's me just picking up speed, and I'm pretty much now at 70 mile an hour. So this is me using the standard mic that's just on the front of the ATOTO unit. So how do I sound? I am doing just about 70 mile an hour now. To be fair, on the little Honda Civic, it's not the best in the way of reducing road noise. Inbuilt microphone, which is just on the front of the screen. If I'm looking this way and I'm facing that way, if I'm looking straight ahead, is it any different? If I turn slightly and point my mouth down towards the stereo, how does that sound? Okay, we'll compare that now with the ATOTO dedicated microphone. Okay, so that's me just about now at 70 mile an hour, and this is the new ATOTO dedicated microphone, as opposed to the one that was actually on the front of the radio. How do I sound? Do I sound okay? I'll give the microphone that's a little tap there. So I'll have a little comparison. So there's me just driving along at normal speed, and I'm not getting any nearer to the mic. So I'm just talking, sitting a comfortable distance away. If I get nearer, I'll have a little test to see if that makes the sound increase. But otherwise, just talking normally. Let me know what you think. Test to see if that makes the sound increase. But otherwise, just talking normally. Let me know what you think. So, listening back to the 2 mic recordings, what I've taken away from this is that the first one, which is on the radio, did sound a little bit more further away. It also had a little bit of a breakup now and then. It wasn't quite as clear. But this one, A, it's nearer to me. B, it's dedicated. There's actually a twin mic setup on there as well. So how do I sound? I am doing just about 70 mile an hour now. How do I sound? Do I sound okay? I'll give the microphone that's a little tap there. So I'll have a little comparison. Even at the same speed, doing the same test at 70 mile an hour, I think that wins. There's definitely a little bit more clarity. Yes, you can hear that it's from a microphone in a car. I'm not going to deny that. We're not going to pretend that it's going to be the same as speaking with the phone in your hand. But nevertheless, oh, there's the police. At 70 mile an hour, that's still really, really clear. And I'm really pleased with that, because it means that I can be safe, hands on the wheel. The ATOTO stereo can answer the calls automatically. So in total now, you've got 4 videos for the ATOTO X10. You've got the install, which is removing the old unit. You've got the front high definition dash cam. You've also now got the rear reversing and high definition dash cam at the back there as well. And now, of course, you got the microphone installed as well. So thanks again to ATOTO for allowing me to install this microphone. It definitely gets a thumbs up from me. My name's Groove On. Be safe, and I'll see you on YouTube. Bye for now.